Welcome into my channel. If you know, my channel is against the Big Bang, about astronomy. See, about astronomy basically. You see, my desktop has like stars and clouds, and okay, I have here the Bibles about the stars. Okay, but 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 look, I have pictures here from a NASA official channel, like astronomy pictures of a day. Each day they put a picture like astronomy pictures. You see, so but I'm speaking about the stars. But what is the idea if you are speaking about the stars? There are two main things: science about the physics. Okay, I'm telling you that is false, and the chemistry and mathematics. And the second thing is about aliens. You see these much stars, you are believing that there could be aliens. So these are satellites, Pluto planet. Yeah, it's 2016. Each year, each day, they put a picture. Okay, so you are speaking. You see, are these galaxies stars, planet? How we are saying these galaxies are simply stars in our galaxy. That is a sphere. So, but this is the thematics you cannot avoid if you are speaking about the universe. Are the extraterrestrial exist? Where they are? You see Jupiter planet and the stars. This is 2017. So I have two ideas concerning this. That they replace two terms, the sky and earth, or the heavens with universe. What is a Latin term, means unique spoken sentence. So in the Bible, God spoke many times, you see, and the second time they replace extraterrestrials with the angels, extraterrestrials. These two main switch. So now discovering this, I discovered the you see King James Bible and Orthodox, two Bibles. I don't have anything against any translation, but I treat one. So you see, this is in the beginning God created heaven and earth. You see, in the English, heaven means like that garden that God built. But this is about the heavens. The heaven is like you see, and it's telling you how it was made. You see, and the earth was without form and void. Darkness was upon the face of and the spirit of the waters. You see, it's telling you that God created heaven and earth, and you see, there let there be light. So this is the universe, heaven and earth, the totality of creation. But they replace with a unique spoken sentence, a unique verse. You see, the strict in some scientific manner is a no good word. You see, so God said, "Let there be light," and then God said many times, not a unique spoken sentence. The other term for the universe is the cosmos, from Greeks. So you see, God said, "Let there be a firmament." This is our universe, our galaxy. How are you are saying? In the midst of the water. So it's telling you that the sky is made in water. You see, to divide water from water, God made. You see, and you do not believe this because you are not trained to see this. So now, if you open these pictures, astronomy pictures, you see. God made the firmament, or the sky, in water. You see waters, clouds. You see clouds all over the place. You see clouds. Let's go fast through this. You see, like 2018 clouds. You see clouds, but the Bible is telling you they are made from water. Let's open one, and my desktop. You see. So it's made in waters. These clouds are made of fumes and waters. You see, like, and look, clouds. And let's go through. I dare say that I'm tricking you somehow. You see, from NASA channel, you see clouds. But in the Bible, it's telling you what is this clouds. Look, in the King James Bible. You see, and God let's say, let it be light, and let be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let divide the waters from waters. You see? So he's telling you, and God made the firmament, divided the waters, and under the waters, and God called the firmament heaven. You see? And God called the firmament heaven. This is the universe. And he's telling you they replace it with the universe. And he's telling you our galaxy, how we are saying, they replace, because that galaxies are simply stars. It is like a firm stuff made after light. Like a firm stuff in light made in waters. And astronomical pictures, again, you see astronomical pictures, you see 2020, 2021, you see waters, you see, and you do not believe that the Bible is telling you there's waters in the heaven. Not only this, look, but not only this, but you see clouds, exactly like clouds from earth, you see. Not only this, clouds, you see, but it's telling you there's water. And now you name these galaxies, you see, these galaxies, you say that these galaxies are like gravitational systems, you see, waters, gravitational systems, you see, waters, this, you see, as it seems weird to you or not, you interpret in a wrong manner. All the planets and all our galaxies made in water, you see. Okay, so that's why God called the firmament heaven. But and now you have for the heaven like that garden of Eden. You see, like you are misinterpreted like this. So what I'm telling you, if you put a search in the text like here, heaven, if you know this, you search after a word like this, you'll understand that the Bible is speaking about the universe, is speaking about the universe, but the name is heaven. In Romanian is simply skies and earth, you see, firmament, heaven. In Romanian is even the sky, simply sky, the sky and earth, because this implied, and this is the gate of heaven, you see, the universe is speaking about the universe. And this is what I want to tell you. They replace the angels with extraterrestrials, and the heaven that it is our galaxy. To not get it that it speaks about is you see, of Amalek from under heaven, and Exodus, for I will utterly put our members of Amalek from under the heaven, under the you see, and you do not understand now. In the Orthodox tradition, there's like heaven, you see. So this is what I want to tell you. They replace the extraterrestrials, the angels, extraterrestrials. In this manner, the angels are not treated anymore. They are pre-New Testament. They appear, they stay on the rock. They appear to the shepherds, and they say glory above, to those above, and on the earth, peace on earth. So you see, I have talked with you from heaven, and you not see this, because you are only see universe. And now I'm telling you this a simple idea. You search here heaven, and you'll see how much times the Bible speaks about the universe, basically, and it's telling you what is going to happen in the universe, and you understand, like this. It's like a live search. I could have made this already, but okay. So this is the idea. You see, all the nation under whole heaven. You see, and now it's like a poem, like is mentioning our sky, and you understand that no, okay. So this is what I want to tell you. You make this search, you'll see how many times the heaven and earth appear. Heavens, and heaven, a plural, and in Psalms all over the place. So they switch to not get it that the Bible speaks about heaven. In the beginning, God created the universe, the heaven. It's not correct. The universe is not. He spoke many times. So under the heaven. Okay, so you see only in the Old Testament in Moses, because this is the Bible term for the universe. So now the second replacement is of extraterrestrials, angels or extraterrestrials. Now in the Christianity they do not treat them serious, is or they are from the from God like, you see. But all the traditions spoke about angels in China, in Asia, in Africa, in angels, and these aliens is more like popular, like extraterrestrials, or and is this is what I want to tell you. This speak is the Bible is full about this, and it's telling you what is going to be, is filled up with this. You see, and behold the flame of the city. Okay, it speaks about, and you must get it. All the prophets are already made on Isaiah the prophet on, and Jeremiah the prophet. I pulled out this word heaven from the okay. I already this is a live search, but this is the idea. This is why I do this. Okay, this is why I do this. So let me show to you pictures again. You see from 2022 to some of them. I will make many videos. You see, in the beginning God created the heaven and earth, and all the planets are made in waters, if you understand, and all the stars are made in waters. This is what Moses is telling you. You see astronomy pictures, you see waters, you see clouds with waters. So the star there is a firmament, is named heaven. It is made after the light. You see, in the beginning God created the heaven and earth, all the material that contain an earth type and a heaven, and then after the light, let there be light. It made the time somehow after the light, okay, a day, and after the day he made the firmament, the heaven, and then ignited the stars. But you are do not let to understand this, okay. So there's waters in heaven, is telling you, and the firmament is made in heaven. There is another sense of this heaven, like you'll see my next video about Ezekiel. You see 2023 pictures. There's waters in heaven. It's full of clouds. You see clouds and the stars. And you do not understand this, okay? Because this universe, there's no unique spoken sentence nowhere. God spoke many times. Let there be light. Let there be the waters be. Let the earth be like this. Let the be. See, they say they're tricking you. Somehow to get rid of God, making through a single cause that you cannot obtain it. Making gravity God somehow. They do not understand there is light. Gravity is light, okay? So this is my emblem from my channel. This star. It is a simple star and shows to you the emblem from my channel. It shows to you there clouds there, you see water and some expansion. And this black stuff is water also, but you do not see an ocean on the when it's night. You must illuminate the and 2025 now. This I'm telling you from NASA channel. You see waters, and these galaxies are simply stars. Believe it or not, cumulus of clouds like this. Let's focus. Okay, they are simply stars. There's clouds of water like this with pieces illuminating pieces, and they are small, and the stars are not like our sun. This is a star. This is a star. That's why they are tricking you. This is a star. A galaxy is a star, a small star. Okay. So let's go again to the King James Bible. This is the whole year. But I'll insert these images each year into my channel. But this is what I want to tell you. And now I'm going to to cut this from the Ezekiel in my next video. You see, this is the name, and it's telling you, look, into heaven. So look, the ascended of Elijah with his body. You see, Elijah went up whirlwind into heaven. You see, so with his body, where, with his body, where? It's a chariot of fire, horses of fire, you see, and went into heaven, you see. So there's a mental heaven somehow. God is telling you in the heart somehow, but and you understand the horse is like something that walks through God, and the chariot of fire like even the word itself of the prayer. So, and you go into a mental heaven. And is this sense is true? But you are saying there is some stories only. Elijah and Enoch were ascending to heaven, and God, when he was rising with his body, went upwards towards the clouds. He's telling you on the Acts, and Jesus Christ after he was, and the angel were at his resurrection. Okay, and now Baal, you see, Baal is a bad alien. Baal is a god like Mars, like Jupiter, like Venus. They're old, but they are aliens, angels, bad angels. You see, burn incense to Baal, to the sun, to the moon, and to the planets. You see, and host of heaven. If you do not believe that it speaks about, you see, you see that the planet means a star, and God is not making the difference between planets, and this it's a Greek word. Everything that we got from Greeks, like the geometry, the schools of Greeks, and the Maccabees says to you was like not a good thing for when they conquered, they made Greek schools. With gymnastics, and this everything from Greeks, like Olympiads and mathematics, and they are wrong. So this name is, the planet means wandering stars from Greeks. So the Bible says it makes the stars in general, but it speaks about, you see. So it's telling you about Baal. There is a bad alien. But now you treat him like ethereal beings, like some spirit-like only. Like they have bodies. St. Paul says to you that these aliens have bodies, but different kind, made from light, okay, and somewhere where they live. And you see, Elijah went to the heaven. You see, Lord God, your fathers have delivered them into your hand, and ye have slain them in a rage that reach up unto heaven, and is full of this word. So he speaks about the universe, and I'm telling you that he speaks about we will go there. I will see the Daniel the prophet speaks with the Gabriel, the archangel. He names by name Michael, and okay, and their voices, their prayer come up, holy dwelling even unto heaven. You see, so king of the prophet Isaiah, the son of Amos, prayed and cried to heaven, and Lord send an angel. You see, an angel. But now this is how do you understand? But if they know God, they know God. They have churches. You'll see in the Apocalypse, there is a church in the heaven. They say, and they know God, and they are immortals, but they are made by God, and some of them are bad. So in this manner, you see, but I'm telling you, it's more like in the sci-fi movies than you are believing. So there's a real fight with bad ones, and they are tricking you with that universe, and we can go to the stars, believe it or not. The king said for the make a request, so I prayed to the God of heaven. You see, their God, they have a heaven. As it's telling you, Saint Peter is telling you in the second letter, they forget intention that the heavens were but world before ours. So somebody lived in them, if you understand. They are not like in the Job, you see, towards heaven. His mantle and sprinkled dust upon their heads onto heaven. Thick clouds are covering to him, and sit not and walk in the circuit of heaven. You see, in the circuit of heaven. So if you combine this, is the Bible speaks about the heaven, the universe. You replace, you search here, and you are studying what it is telling you, and you can do it like this. You see, by King James, I have this holy Bible, Orthodox Bible. I'm Orthodox, like Eastern Orthodox, like Greeks. Rain down upon it and give them of the corn of heaven. Angels, you see, did angels food. So the man did eat angels food, you see. So it is telling you there is similar. So similar. There are some but spiritual stuff like the word, they are not eating like cows and pigs and chickens, but it's telling you that the man eat the same stuff like in a spiritual manner, what is like joy, or they say glory into the heaven, glory like a human word, like the glory. Okay, and the angel says this, and they are speaking in the same Paul. Same Paul is telling you that have languages. If I know all the languages of the angels, it says Saint Paul. So men eat angels' food. You see, and a corn of heaven, angels' food. But you are, but not cows and chickens. They have so it means that they have the same kind of joy, the same kind of, but they are immortal. The man was intended to be immortal, but okay, from the beginning, but it's more like the fight is more like in sci-fi movies, like a star, but then you are believing. So the Christianity like priests, and they made them ethereal, like, and having no bodies, having like God, like only God is like, okay, they are made before us, and they somehow arrested. And they the earth, and that's why, and God itself came, Jesus Christ. But I'm telling you that we can go to the stars. This is what I'm telling you. See, spring. His seed also will make to endure forever, and his throne as the days of heaven. He's telling you there's time in heaven, and in Apocalypse, he's telling you like when the fifth four angels spoke, the silence was in sky for half an hour. So these days of heaven, days of the universe. So you replace and you read and you inform yourself what speak is about the universe, the Bible. This is what I'm telling you. Like this from Psalms, like days of the heaven. I shall be ever as the moon and the witness in heaven. From Psalms. Bread of heaven again. Asken brought quails and the bread of heaven. You see, and forever, O Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. So like it is identical in heaven, the word. Let them praise the name of the Lord, for his name alone, his glory is above earth and heaven. And this is the universe, if you don't understand. Okay, this is the first video. I'll continue. this is my idea. You see, search heaven. I continue the second video. This part 1, and I'll make part 2. Okay, from here, starting from here. Okay, goodbye. Let's see in the next one. But you must see that I do not tell again this introduction. You see, you must see the first one. Okay, goodbye.